And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Gas in the middle of the sun, never leave. She's so bad, can't fade the bright. Hit the gas in the middle of the sun, never leave. She's so bad, can't fade the bright.
Guys, actually I am finally back from my exercise. This thing looks very awkward when it's actually very far, but I'm actually done with my exercise and I feel so good and great. By the way, you know, today it has been a glute day for me. I started actually separating my workouts into different sessions. Like recently I did show you my leg / lower body part workout. Today I was on my glutes, specifically my booty area, my waist area and all that. And I think I never talked about, guys, these particular tutorials I do follow over here. They are from a channel called Chris from Phoenix Group. You know, hopefully I'll leave some information in my description box below. They are very good. They separate everything, especially when you are a beginner and you're just starting out. I'm not a beginner in working out, but I'm a beginner in actually being consistent with working out. So they have been helping me a lot, you know. So this is the tutorial I've been following today. Very simple. You can do it without even a lot of equipment, a lot of, you know, gadgets for gym, something like that, you know. I've been following this and it has been so amazing. So currently I want to move out, go take a bath. Then I need to work on my posts that are going up on my Instagram at around 6. Today it's a Sunday. Most of my Instagram audience is very active by 6 p.m. in the evening. So I need to prep that so that by 6 I give them some pictures. So currently let me go take a bath and let me shoot in with you guys later. Almost forgot to show you guys outfit of my workout going on over here. Okay, so actually you guys, I am finally done with taking a bath going on over here. Currently, I want to do my skincare routine. So if you are not familiar with my skincare routine, I'm going to be leaving it in my description box below the vlog. You can go and see it. And then you let me know what you think of the whole of it. But I want to show you a little bit of the sneak peeks of the products that actually I use. So these are some of the products that actually I do use. If you are a very long honey of mine, you are very familiar with these products and usually where I do get them from. This is the fruit of the Okali, 99% natural roses going on over here. The Cash Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil Body Whip. And lastly, this is the almond oil and milk body lotion. I use this for the rest of my body. Okay, so you guys, I think 2 days ago or yesterday, I went out to Mlangira Jewelry Store. I actually wanted to pick out, you know, the bathing bar soap that I usually do use. And it is the One Love BB bar soap. It is such an amazing soap when it comes to clearing and making or evening your skin tone, especially for the face and the neck area. As you are very vigilant, you can see that my neck area is almost a little bit or slightly brighter than some parts of my face. You know, let us agree to this moment in time that my face has most of its part actually brighter and others darker, you know. But whenever I use this amazing soap from Mlangira Jewelry Store, it is the One Love. It clears everything. I've been on this soap now, I think, for the last 3 to 4 months, and I've been seeing a huge difference, like a very huge difference. This is how it does look going on over here. You can get this, I believe, also yourself from Mlangira Jewelry Store. This vlog is not sponsored in any way, but I always love to give credit where it is due. It is very cheap and it actually gets the work done. And also I went with an intention, of course, to Mlangira Jewelry Store to get these amazing pillows that one of my girlfriends has been talking about for the longest time ever in one of the group chats I'm in. You know, this girl is mad though, you know. She reached a moment to come in my private inbox and tell me, Tanya, you have to try these amazing pillows. They are very soft. And guys, you remember the story I told you about my skin as react with anything which is not nylon or silk, you know. So reached there I was able to see them. They are very, very highly expensive. When I was actually trying to purchase or get in contact with them through the seller there, I thought to myself, this girl wants me to go broke, you know. She's telling me to buy a pillow which is over 100,000 Ugandan shillings for just a pillow, you know. But anyway, they are very, very soft. Actually, I think it is in the future. Maybe it is in the future. And I know she'll be seeing this vlog. Darling, I went there. Your pillows are very expensive. I'm almost done with this. So currently, what I'm going to be doing, I think I want to just sit down, catch up with some vlogs. Today it's a beautiful Sunday, you know, but I just want to sit down, catch up with some of the vlogs from some of my amazing YouTubers. I usually do save them in playlists, especially during the week when I know that I don't have a lot of time. So Sundays and Saturdays and Fridays, those are some of the days that actually I do go to YouTube and play those playlists. A lot of you guys, I actually do watch your vlogs, I watch your videos, but the lazy me forgets to comment. But anyway, I don't forget to like. That is the good thing. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I want to pop on my it's not a jumpsuit. My God, English. I want to pop on my nightwear, pajamas, English in 1, 2, 3. This is how I look. Hopefully you can see me very, very well. This is one of my absolute favorite combos when it comes to nightwear. My skin reacts so well with nylon or silk, and that's why I have a lot of pajamas like of this particular material. So let me switch in with you guys later on. Hopefully someone might, of course, ask me, Tanya, where did you get this? Got this from a window market at 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Soto inacho wekwasa, to inacho ngamba. You can also get the same thing. So let me switch in with you guys later. So, hi honeys, how are you? Tanya Nishailok here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope that you are fine, amazing, popping. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another video. First of all, if this is the first time you are watching my face over here, hi there, I'm Tanya Nishailok. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator, period. You know, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell. I know a lot of you are not yet subscribed, but you're always coming back to watch my video. I know. But today, please just subscribe to the channel. And yeah, currently I'm moving out to Kampala. I have some errands to be running. I have to be going to school. I have to be going to Mulangira jewelry store. The other thing I wanted to talk about, guys, is that I've been a little bit sick, but not so sick, if that makes sense. So we are in October. It is very, very cold. It is almost raining every day. The coldness is like mad. And for me, coldness and my body, one of these days, they don't walk hand in hand. I've been having this consistent flu and I think also cough. But luckily enough, I did go to the doctor and he prescribed for me some medication. So currently I'm on some, anti-inflammatory kind of drugs because I had also started swelling everywhere, and of course some anti-flu drugs, so that is currently the situation. Okay, so hopefully there you guys, you can see me very, very well. By the way, this is my Camon 17 Pro without the cover. Yes, so I'm just wearing this amazing t-shirt. Got this from one of my cousins who was traveling back from South Africa, Gauteng to Uganda. If you don't know, I love very, very much South Africa. Is one of my dream countries actually to go, travel to, visit, and hopefully stay. That was a by the way. Then down here, I'm just having on a pair of sweatpants. Just excuse the saga going on over there. Sneakers, whatever I want to call them, sneakers or what, got this from Skylight Arcade. Yes, just trying to organize my camera a little bit, but I'm finally back from the meeting I was in with one of my subscribers. She's starting up a YouTube channel. She's called Mo. No, I think I'll talk about her channel in one of the upcoming vlogs, because currently she doesn't have any vlog up there, up on her YouTube channel. But yes, I met her. She was so nice and so amazing. We talked about a lot of things when it comes to content creating here and there. And hopefully when she's ready and she already has a YouTube channel up, I myself, I'll be trying my best so that you guys, I inform you about her.